Sometimes when a man and a woman love each other very much, they have a little slave. The days are long, but the years are short. And that little slave grows up way too fast. Before you know it, she's out the door, all grown up and on her own. Well, kind of. That's not how the story is supposed to go. No child is born to be a slave. But that's what is happening every day to kids in this country and the world over. It's called child sex trafficking. It's often runaways and foster kids that are the most vulnerable. But there is no typical trafficked victim, no stereotype. They can come from any neighborhood, any family, anywhere. The International Labor Organization estimates there are 4.5 million people trapped in forced sexual exploitation globally. That's why St. Francis Community Services focuses its efforts not only at home, but abroad. Most victims of child sex trafficking are identified when they are arrested, so they enter the system labeled as criminals. Those under 18 may go to foster care, which isn't equipped to handle this kind of challenge. St. Francis is committed to helping through outreach, specialized services, and a restorative residential program called Clover House. No child was born to be a slave. Not every child had a chance or a choice. We're not here to judge. We're here to heal. Please, help us stop child sex trafficking. Let's bring these children back home.